We've all been there. Your computer freezes. The fan gets loud. Nothing you click does anything. Then someone says the most famous line in tech support, "Have you tried turning it off and on again?" It sounds lazy, like telling someone with a headache to just drink water, but it isn't lazy. Most of the time, it's the fix. A restart is like an undo button for hours of small problems piling up. It has quietly saved more machines than any expensive repair. Your computer probably isn't dying, it's just cluttered. Think of your computer's memory like a desk. All day you pull out files, open folders, and jot down notes. You keep working, but you rarely clear the desk. Every app you open leaves something behind. Closing the app should tidy up, but often little bits of clutter stay on the desk. Most of this happens in RAM. RAM is your computer's short-term workspace. It holds whatever you're using right now. When an app needs memory, it borrows some, like asking a neighbor for a cup of flour. When it's done, it's supposed to give the cup back. But software isn't perfect. Sometimes an app forgets to return the cup, or it crashes while still holding it. That's a memory leak. The space is still marked in use even though nothing is using it. One cup is nothing, but over days, the cups pile up. Eventually, there's no clean space left to work and the whole computer starts to crawl. Then there are leftover background tasks. Picture a restaurant where some diners finish eating but never leave the table. They're not doing anything useful, but they're still taking a seat, and your computer has only so many tables. Even after you close an app, it can leave one of these ghost diners behind, quietly hogging a seat where new work should go. A restart is the one move that clears all of it. Every borrowed cup returned, every table emptied, the whole desk swept clean. Nothing stuck, nothing left over. You simply start fresh. The same computer suddenly quick again. You might wonder, why not just close everything or use sleep instead? Sleep never cuts the power, so all that clutter just sits there waiting for you to come back, and closing one app only tidies its own corner of the desk. A restart is the only move that clears the whole workspace at once. That's why it fixes things nothing else can. Here's the surprising part. On Windows, restart can actually be more thorough than shutdown. A feature called Fast Startup makes shutting down quicker. It saves a snapshot of the system's core to the disk, then just reloads that snapshot next time. That's fast. But if the glitch is in that core, shutdown just saves the glitch too. Only a restart rebuilds the core from scratch. So you probably don't need a new computer. You just need to let this one breathe. Give it a clean start, and the speed usually comes back on its own. Try restarting about once a week. It clears the clutter before it turns into a real problem. Think of it like a chalkboard. All day you fill it with notes. Closing one app is like smudging out a single word with your finger. Restarting is the wet sponge that wipes the whole board clean. A fresh surface for tomorrow. It's not magic. It's just giving your computer the clean desk it deserves.